in this tutorial we will learn about the column function. So what is column function? It is a lookup and reference function, and this function helps us to get the column number of the cell reference, and its syntax is equal to column, within bracket we have to put the reference. So what is this reference? And you can see this reference is within square bracket. That means this reference is optional, and the reference is a reference to a cell or a range of cell or the cell in which the function exists if the reference is not given. Sorry, here it should be not given. That is, if we do not put any reference within this bracket, then it will return the column number of the cell in which the function exists. Else, if we put a single cell reference, then it will give the column number of that cell reference. And if we select the range of cells, then it will return the first column within that range. So let's understand in details. So we have four examples. First one is for basic understanding, second for creating number series, third using Vlookup, and fourth is conditional formatting. So let's understand this one by one. So first example, delete this one. So here equal to column, bracket close. We do not put any reference, and this function is within B10. Now press enter, we get 2. So the column is second column. You can see A, B, 1, 2. So it is running 2. Now if we put a single cell reference, what will happen? Equal to column. Suppose I am selecting this one, bracket close, enter, it returns 3 because this cell is in third column, 1, 2, 3. So it is returning 3. But if we select multiple cells, equal to column, bracket open, I am selecting in this way, okay, bracket close, and enter, it returns 10 because here J is the first column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it returns 10. Now we will understand the second example. So here, if we want to start the number from 0, then how to do that? So if I type here equal to column and enter, so it is returning 2, but we want to start it from 0. So how to do that? So we can do it in two ways. Here we got 2, so here minus 2, so we got here 0. Now if I drag this, you can see, now here if I want to start the number from 1, then we can do in two ways. Equal to column, select the first column cell, A17, bracket close, enter, we got 1. Then drag this, okay. So this is the first way, that is column, then select the first column cell, then drag this till you need. Or another one is, you do not put the reference, then it will return 2, then here minus 1. You can see. Now if I want to start the number from 10, 20, any number, then you can do it like this way, equal to column, bracket close, enter. So here it is 2. We want to start it from 10. So we have to add more 8. So plus 8 is 10, or we may say 9 is 11. Now drag this 11 to 20. So here 1 to 10, 11 to 20. In this way you can continuously increase the number on the right side. Now we will understand the third example with Vlookup. So here we have a data, that is agent names, quarter 1 cells, quarter 2 cells, and quarter 3 cells. Now if we want to put here our agent name, and the cells for that agent will be displayed for quarter 1, 2, and 3. So how to do that? So first here I have created a drop down list for this one. If you want to learn about the drop down list, I will give the link in the I button in the top right corner. Okay, here now we will use the Vlookup function. Equal to Vlookup. Our Vlookup value is this one, comma. Our table array will be this one, comma, our column index. Which column? So it is in second column. So type here 2, comma, exact match false, bracket close and enter. So we got 15000. You can see 15000. Now for this one, you can drag this. So before dragging, you have to make this absolute with F4, and this one also F4. Now drag this and change this 2 to 3, and here 3 to 4. But I have to change this manually. If I have a long range of data, so we have to change it manually one by one. But if I want to make this a dynamic number, then if I make a single formula and drag on the right side, then it will automatically create that numbers. So type here equal to Vlookup. Our lookup value is this one. Press F4, comma. Table array is this one. Press F4, comma. Now our column index. So column index should be column. Now first it should be 2. So select any cell within B column. Select here, bracket close, for exact match false, that is 0. Bracket close and enter. Then drag this on the right side. You can see automatically we got in this way. So here you can see column index, press F9, it's 2. Then here column index number is 3, and here the column index number is 4. So the number automatically changes because first formula, here the column index is B23, here it is C23, and here it is D23. So column function convert this B to 2, C to 3, and D to 4. So in this way you can use the column function to create dynamic column number and complete the Vlookup function. So now we will understand the fourth example, that is conditional formatting. So here we have a data, and now we want to color the alternate columns. We may color column B, D, or C, E. Let's see one by one. So first select the range, then go to conditional formatting, new rule. Select use a formula to determine which cell to format. Now here equal to is odd, bracket open, then column, bracket open, select this cell and press F4 to log the row. Okay. Now bracket close for column, bracket close for is odd. Now format, select a color of your choice, then OK, OK. You can see the odd columns get colored. Now if I want to color the P and D, that is second and fourth column, then go to new rule, use a formula to determine which cell to format, then here equal to is even, then bracket open, column, bracket open, select this cell and press F4 to log the row only, then bracket close for column, bracket close for is even, and go to format, select a color of your choice, OK, OK. So in this way you can color the alternate rows. So I hope you have understood this tutorial very well, but still if you have any problem regarding this tutorial, you can write me in the comment section. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe our channel to support us. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.